Hi, this is Ben Hollifield from Yansa Labs, here to introduce you to the latest addition to our product line called Asset Tag Maker. Now, at Yansa Labs, we've always had the ability to create barcodes and QR codes within ServiceNow with our barcode generator app. We've also had the ability to create pages of labels and beautiful documents in PDF format with our PDF generator app. However, we're recently seeing an explosion of customers using ServiceNow for hardware asset management who need to create pages of barcoded or QR coded labels to physically label the assets that they store in ServiceNow. We've helped many of our customers achieve this in ServiceNow using an integration between our barcode generator and PDF generator apps. However, we've never really loved the ease of use and the experience of doing that. And that was the inspiration for creating Asset Tag Maker, to make it as quick and easy as possible to help customers start printing asset tags from ServiceNow. Let me show you what it looks like. When you first install Asset Tag Maker, you'll see a new app in your left nav. There are a number of things here we can go through, but you start just by going to Tag Creation Jobs. Let's look at one that we've already created. If you create a new tag creation job, you simply select a template for the type of label you want to create. And we've included sample label templates for a number of things, ranging from a very simple one label per page to a more advanced multi-label with a single barcode, or a quite advanced label with barcodes, QR codes, and text input all there together. You can use these to get up and going as fast as possible, but you can also completely customize your template for your needs. So once you select the template, you can then select the data source, and this could be a subset of your assets or all of your assets, and then you simply start the job. You'll see the percentage go from 0 to 100. Some jobs can take a few seconds, some can take a few hours, but eventually you'll get to complete, and at the end, a PDF of your labels will be attached to this tag creation job record, and it'll look something like this. A convenient, portable PDF of your labels compatible with any consumer or commercial grade printer. If we look back at our tag creation job, we can see there is logging, so we can see what's going on at every step during the asset tag creation process. In addition, we have a tagged records table that tracks each asset and which jobs it was tagged as a part of. So if you're looking for a specific asset tag to print for a specific asset, you can always come into this table, find the job, visit that job, and print out that asset tag very easily. There are other modules through here for different label templates. We've included a bunch of samples to help you get started, and also barcode generators that you can include in those labels. A lot of examples there to get you started as well. Finally, we've made Asset Tag Maker resilient. Printing large batches of barcoded labels in ServiceNow is a big job. Sometimes the job gets too big, too many assets, too much QR or barcode content, and it can crash a creation job in ServiceNow without a lot of information as to what went wrong. We've built Asset Tag Maker to automatically handle these issues. If you have a job that's trying to complete, but it's simply too big and it's going to crash, we'll automatically split that job into chunks of 2, 4, 8, even more jobs to make sure it completes successfully. Each one of these jobs will be associated to its parent job and will have its own list of asset tag records created at the bottom here, as well as its own PDF up top. So we feel we've made a really user-friendly, resilient, powerful application on ServiceNow. There's nothing else like this out in the ServiceNow ecosystem, and it's very easy to get started. You can install Asset Tag Maker and print your first batch of asset tags in under 15 minutes. So we urge you to go out, give it a try, and let us know what you think. We're looking for ideas to make this even better and excited to see what you do with it. Thank you.